Hello friends, I am Shravana Lakshmi and welcome back to my channel Sparkling Future. So today we will see the series of RDT transformations in Spark. Before starting with today's topic, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and also please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for the latest new video notifications. So in the previous videos we have seen about all these topics like about RDDs, the definitions of RDDs and other stuff, and also we have seen some of the interview questions that can be solved on RDD transformations using Scala code. So today we will deal with this file which has some extra column called voicemail active or not, some yes or no kind of value added. A new column has been added to the input file. So today we will see how to apply two or more filter conditions in a single filter. So here are the two questions for the day. So find out the total number of sales for customer who has voicemail active, and the second one is the total number of sales for customer who has voicemail active and also who belong to these particular states. So let's dive into the code, friends. So this is the sample file that we are going to check today. Okay, it has this last column is added in the previously used examples, and let's write the code. So now we have this RDD created for these customer records, and the first record is the header in this first record. So we are omitting that header here and creating a header RDD, and from this header RDD we are splitting with a comma and making a SRDD, I mean sample RDD. So from here we will see how to get this question. Find out the total number of sales for customer who has voicemail active. So next, create voicemail RDD equal to, from SRDD we have to filter who has voicemail active. So now go back to the file. Here this is the one. So this one was 9. So now it will become the 10th one, correct? Yeah. So now in the filter, x of 10 equal to yes. If you see voicemail active, here yes and no are the column name, I mean field values for that column. So for that we are taking it as field x of 10 equal to s. If this is the case, filter it, and now we'll create one total sales RDD. We'll take this filtered RDD dot map of, again sales is there in this, number of sales, number of orders is there in this 9, 0, start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ninth one is this number of orders. So make it as ninth one. We have discussed before like why we have to give 2 int here, and then I'm saying that get the sum because we need the total sales for this wherever voicemail is active for that customers. So now let's print this. If you see the type of this is double, so because of that I'm using the println. Let's print this. Meanwhile let's check out for all the customers wherever voicemail is active, which is yes. What is the total sales? You can see is the sum here, right, at the end of the page in the right down bottom, 1,01,104. Now let's compare that here. You can see here, right, 1,01,104 is the total sales. Okay, where the for the customers voicemail as active. Okay, so now what is the second question? Find out the total number of sales for the customer who has voicemail active and also who belong to MI, NJ and PR states. MI, NJ and PR states. So now to the same thing, let's add a filter condition. In the filter condition we'll say first, okay, let's filter x of 7, I think. Let me count it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. From 0 it will be 7. Okay, so x of 7 equal to mi, or x of 7 equal to nj, or x of 7 equal to pr. And here we have to give the AND, because we want the customers from these states and also whose voicemail is active, inactive status. So this is the filter condition. Now again get the total sales RDD. So total sales RDD is this voicemail RDD. This one we will use it here because this is what is having the filtered data set. On top of it we are saying that get the total sales. Dot sum means get the total sales. Sales is there in the x of 9 is 10th column here, which is this one, number of orders, that is the sales. So because of that we are taking that in the map. X of 9 is the sales, and get the sum. Dot sum will count the values. So now let's print this and verify the output. So mi nj pr, right? Now we have already filtered with yes here, and let's filter the state codes as well. mi nj pr. Okay, so now when I say count 43,071, here you can see, right, on the down 43,071 is the answer. If you see friends, here it is the 43,071. Okay, so this is the way we can apply more transformations and the RDDs. Hope this is useful to you friends. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video friends. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.